Hello everyone, this is Dr. K. I teach AP Chemistry, and AP Environmental Science at RDF International School. Welcome to my lab. So in chemistry class, what we do is that we prepare our students for the task ahead, making them to be the kind of chemists they ever want to be in life. For the advanced placement chemistry, we try to prepare our students for the university level chemistry to make them ready for their university education career.
I think Dr. K has sense of humor. His class is very interesting.
We try to teach students things that they don't see, and we try to make it simpler, very understandable in a way that they will be able to relate what they don't see with what they actually see in reality. And I teach them in a way that they will be able to understand the concept and the topic at hand. I welcome them to ask questions at all times. So these are some of the ways I provide assistance to my students. When it comes to experiment, it's sometimes interesting but a little bit difficult. I guide the student by providing them with the lab manuals and necessary encouragement to make sure that they do it the right way, and if they have questions, they can easily ask me. So the strategy I use in my teaching is to make sure that I provide my students with the necessary equipment or tools that are needed in learning. For example, a very quality teaching or lecture. And also, I try to engage students in assignments or giving them homework to do. And most importantly is that they have to be able to participate actively in classrooms during the classes. Well, to all my students, I would like to tell you, no matter how difficult it seems to be in the very beginning, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. When it gets tougher, get going up.